Hello everyone. In this video you will see a large American pickup Ford F650. Let's tell a little about it. One of the most famous and widely used frame Jeeps in the United States are the representatives of Ford F-Series, produced in many different versions, Ford F-150 Raptor, F-250, and so on. Given the continuing demand for such SUVs and the state program of support for farming, automakers have been able to lobby for a bill according to which pickup does not apply to cars, but to commercial vehicles and is considered in American terminology as a light truck. The Ford F650 has a full weight, as was said, at 12 tons in the engine with a volume of more than 6.5 liters, but nevertheless belongs to the category of trucks, and the tax on it is relatively small. But for the Rolls-Royce Phantom, which has a motor of approximately the same volume, the owner will have to pay the amount of tax almost 10 times more. The total length is about 8 meters, and the height is 3 m. The ground clearance of the car is almost 40 centimeters when installing regular wheel rims diameter 22.5. In souped-up versions or on pickups with rollers of increased size, like Super Duty, the clearance is even greater. Subscribe to the channel, comment the video and click on the bell. Until new videos, guys.